Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you my butterfly pea shower gel recipe. This gel lathers so well, it smells amazing, and it's filled with so many moisturizing ingredients that your skin will love. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to weigh out my ingredients and I'll have the entire recipe listed in the description box. So I'm going to start out with my thickener. I'm going to be using xanthan gum to thicken up my shower gel. Of course, you can use other options like salt, HEC, guar gum, or any other thickener of your choice. And to my xanthan gum, I'm going to add my vegetable glycerin. That's going to hydrate the gum, and it's also going to draw moisture to your skin. Next, I'm going to combine all my water-soluble ingredients, starting off with distilled water. I'm adding in some aloe vera juice. This is very soothing and moisturizing on your skin. I'm adding in my solubilizer next because I'm using some essential oils and a small amount of carrier oil. You can also use polysorbate 20. I have a solubilizer and emulsifier video that will be in my description box. Next is the butterfly pea flower. This powder is packed with antioxidants and is perfect for all skin types. It also helps to retain moisture on your skin, and it also soothes minor skin irritation. So I'm just going to add that into my water mix, and I'm going to mix it well till it dissolves. And after mixing, this is what it's looking like. It's such a lovely color. I'm not quite sure what the color is. It looks like a dark blue, purple, but it's such a pretty color. So now that it's mixed, I'm just going to grab my xanthan gum glycerin mix, and I'm just going to pour this in together, mix it till it's well combined. So after mixing for a couple of minutes, this is what the mixture is looking like. It has already started to thicken up slightly, and of course it's still going to thicken up some more, but this is what it's looking like. And so now I'm just going to set this aside and I'm going to work on my surfactants. I'm going to be using two surfactants. My first one is decyl glucoside. You can use any combination that you like. Cocoa glucoside is a good option. And to this, I'm going to add my cocoa betaine. You can also use foaming apple, foaming oats, SCI. There are so many surfactants out there, but these are the two I'm using in this recipe. I'm adding in some sweet almond oil to my surfactant. You can use any other lightweight moisturizing oil like grapeseed oil, sunflower oil. And to this, I'm adding in some essential oil. That is optional. I'm using a blend of neroli essential oil and vanilla essential oil. It gives an amazing scent to this shower gel. So after adding this in, I'm just going to mix this with my surfactant carefully so that way I don't activate too much lather. Decyl glucoside is able to emulsify a small amount of oil. So now I'm going to combine both jars together, my water-based jar along with my surfactants, and the key is just mixing carefully. You don't want to activate too much lather because that takes forever to settle down. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm just adding in the surfactant, mixing it in until everything is well blended. And this is what the consistency is starting to look like. I love this color so much. The next thing I'm going to do is check the pH. That is a must when you're making any skincare product. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to use my pH meter. You can also use strips, but I prefer using a pH meter because it's more accurate. So I'm just going to add some distilled water to a small amount of the shower gel, mix it till it's well combined, and then check the pH. So the pH was 5.95, which really isn't too bad, but because of the preservative I'm using, I wanted to keep it between 5 to 5.5. So I'm just adding in some citric acid solution, and then I'm just going to mix it all in and check the pH one more time and make adjustments if I need to. So the pH dropped down to 5.28, and I was okay with that. I didn't need to do anything else. So I'm going to add in my preservative. Yes, you need one because this is a water-based product and you don't want bacteria, yeast, mold growing in your product. So I'm just going to add this in, mix it till it's well combined, and I'll leave my preservatives video linked in the description box as well. And this is what my shower gel is looking like. It's such a lovely color and it's starting to thicken up nicely. It's a lovely consistency as well. But I love what it's looking like so far. I'm just going to leave my shower gel overnight, see what the consistency looks like the next day. With xanthan gum, it can take 24 to 48 hours to get the final consistency, but so far this is not a bad consistency at all. But that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to cover up my shower gel and see what it looks like the next day. So the next day, this is what my consistency looked like. I don't know that I noticed much of a difference. It was definitely a smoother consistency, slightly thicker, but so far so good. I'm just going to package up this body wash. It made 10 ounces of product, and of course you can make changes, adjustments to this recipe that works best for your skin type. And the butterfly pea shower gel is ready. This is a moisturizing shower gel to use. It smells so good and the lather feels amazing on the skin. So I really hope you try out this recipe. Let me know if you have questions in the comments. Just reach out to me there and I'll do my best to answer your questions, but definitely give this one a try. We talked about this ingredient during the live session a couple of weeks ago, so I decided to make this shower gel and it's really a good recipe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Turn on your notifications as well, and also please like this video because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video, and also wishing you all a wonderful and blessed new year ahead for us all, and take care. Bye bye.